I'm in Rotherham Town Centre this afternoon. Despite living in Rotherham, I've actually not been out with the camera much. Anyway, today is the Christmas light switch on. I believe they've got an afternoon of, or an evening rather, of music and theatre. And I'm currently looking at the stained glass windows on Rotherham Minster.
So on the way, very, very soon indeed, inside the next 4 minutes, we've got Miss Marina May. She's going to be performing live on this stage here in All Saints Square.
Santa baby, slip a sable under the tree for me. I've been an awful good girl, Santa baby, and hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby, and hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Next year I could be just as good if you check off my Christmas list. Santa baby, I want a yacht, and really that's not a lot. I've been an angel all year, Santa baby, and hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa cutie, and fill my stocking with a duplex and checks. Sign your X on the line, Santa baby, and hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa cutie, fill my stocking with a duplex and checks. Sign your X on the line, Santa baby, and hurry down the chimney tonight. Come and trim my Christmas tree with some decorations for Aunt Tiffany's. I really do believe in you. Now let's see if you believe in me. Santa honey, forgot to mention one little thing, a ring. I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Hurry down the chimney tonight. Hurry tonight. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Now, not everyone can come to the Christmas light switch on, so we've got a big TV screen in the town centre playing Christmas carols from care homes.
celestial sound cloud, which is a sound and light installation. By dancing underneath it, you can make 15-part harmonies create in front of your eyes. And we're Piff Paff, so we're based just over the river in Sheffield, and it's really nice to come here to the gardens of the Minster.
This is SoundCloud and light sound installation. It's like when people dance underneath these buckets, it will make music and light, it will react to you when you dance, and you can kind of discover and create your own music. That is a lot of fun.
There's 5 brains, and in each brain there are 2 teensy 3.2s, which are powering ultrasonic sensors and a series of addressable LED lights, as well as a simple 12-volt amplifier being run by a teensy audio shield, firing samples when you when you go into the appropriate distance beneath the sensor. So you can, if you dance underneath the sculpture like that, can be a bit tricky. It will find you in theory. When you move away, no, there we go. So you dance. 2. There you go.
Gather your strength and energy and get ready to write a new chapter together. Please welcome
The List.
Rotherham, we're really glad to be here, and we're going to sing a few gospel songs for you today. All right? We want to get you in Christmas mood, so when we're singing, we want to see you singing along as well. Is that all right? All right. I like Rotherham. I like it. Okay. And sing. Come on, guys, wave your hands in here. Come on, this is
here. Let's keep dancing and we'll be alright. I haven't heard it yet. You're going to hear it now. So you all can sing along. Last Christmas, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special. Once bitten and twice shy, I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kiss me now, I know you fool me again. All together. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I give it to someone special.
I've fallen in love. I've fallen in love for the first time. This time I know it's for real. I've fallen in love. Yeah. God knows I've fallen in love.
But most important, Rotherham, Christmas will be starting soon on our countdown. Are we ready?
Right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Councillor Jenny Andrews. We've got Santa Claus as well. Good evening, Santa Claus. How are you?
Very well, thanks, and good evening, Rotherham. Nice to see you all.
Are we ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Merry Christmas, Rotherham! Give yourselves a big cheer. Absolutely amazing.
Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing.
I always look forward to Christmas. As soon as Christmas is over, I'm looking forward to Christmas again.
It really does. So we're going to get thousands of people around All Saints.
That's what you right first. There's going to be people down left and right.